Let's see how to convert a given hexadecimal number into binary. Let us take one example. 1B56, which is in hexadecimal. What is binary equivalent of this? We can use the notation H instead of 16, B instead of binary. This is also valid. While converting hexadecimal number into binary, you can refer the table. Here each hexadecimal number can be represented by its binary equivalent. 1 in binary represented as 0001. We can represent each hexadecimal digit by 4 bits of binary. B is nothing but 11. 11 is nothing but in binary as 1011. 5 in binary can be represented as 0101 and 6 as 0110. Therefore, 1B56 in hexadecimal is equivalent to, we can ignore the beginning zeros. I can write it as 1101101010110, which is in binary. Let's take another example. F0 A1.23, which is in hexadecimal. Let us find binary equivalent of this. Here the number contains fraction part also. Let's see how to convert. F0 A1 in binary, its value is, F can be represented as 1111, 0 as 0000, A as 1010, and 1 can be represented as 0001. Now take the fraction part, that is 0.23. In binary it can be represented as, represent the point as it is. 2 in binary can be represented as 0010 and 3 as 0011. Now we can represent the entire number F0 A1.23 is equal to this number followed by this number, that is 1111001000100011. Let us see how to convert a given binary into hexadecimal. Suppose if we have a binary number, say 101110, what is hexadecimal equivalent of this? Note on the number, binary number 101110. Here this is LSB and this is MSB. While converting hexadecimal, we supposed to do the grouping of 4 bits in binary, that is starting from LSB. So consider the first 4 bits, I'll call it as first group. Next do the one more group considering 4 bits. Here we have 2 bits, add 2 more zeros at the prefix and make this as another group. Now represent the hexadecimal equivalent of this, that is 0010 is nothing but 2, and the hexadecimal equivalent of 1110 is nothing but E. Therefore, we can write 101110, which is in binary, is equal to 2E in hexadecimal. You can refer table for this. Let's take another example. 11010.101. What is hexadecimal equivalent of this? Here first consider the full number, that is 11010. Let's represent this in hexadecimal. Do the grouping of 4 bits. This is the first group. Add 3 zeros and we'll form it second group. So the hexadecimal equivalent of this is 1, and hexadecimal equivalent this is, decimal equivalent of this is 10, hexadecimal is A. Now let us consider fraction part, that is 0.101. Now again here also do the grouping of 4 bits starting from the decimal point. So here there exist only 3 bits. Append one more bits at the end of the previous number, that is, this is nothing but A in hexadecimal. Therefore the complete number 11010.101 is equivalent to 1A dot A in hexadecimal. Let's take one more example. 1011101.110111. This can be represented in hexadecimal as, do the grouping of 4 bits. This is first group. Here we have 3 bits. Add one more 0 prefix. So hexadecimal equivalent of this number is 5, and hexadecimal equivalent of this number is 13. 13 is nothing but D. Point. Here start doing grouping immediately after decimal point, that is, this is the first group. Here we have only 2 bits. Add 2 more zeros so that we can do the another group of 4 bits. So equivalent of this is D. 110 equivalent is C. Therefore binary equivalent value is 5D.DC in binary.